Short horse K-Man on the tone in less than 5.
On my phone, so I made a wrong turn, for the next 5 minutes.
Truck group coming through. Roselle moving up a spot. Start wheeling. Marshall's up pretty quick. Run rhythm section. Careful in the front, the first double. It is clear. Thank you, random citizen. 130 down, 5:30 to go. 130 down, 5:30 to go. First safety truck. Roselle, Bob, Kevin, top 3. The red top is right there. Take away the top from Kevin. He makes a mistake. Short course, we got Stuart leading Rich around the track. They're only about 6 seconds apart. Roselle, your leader down the back straight. He's got Bob Miller right on his tail though. Front ribbon check. No, someone's doing it. Oh no, someone's wheel just went flying off. Oh, Roselle. Careful in the front rhythm. Red Pop is in second over the center tabletop. Kevin in third. Fourth, Roselle in fifth. In the transfer spot. Miller into the back straight. Kevin at the wall ride. Red Pop getting some work done by Ron. He's only got a half a lap or one lap cushion over Burnham. Burnham's going to take over the number 3 spot that time by. to go. 5 down, 2 to go. Miller and Kevin, top 2. Burnham in third. Red Pop back on the track. We've got a minute 45 to chase down Burnham for that final transfer spot. He's got a lap and a half he's got to make up.
Now he's going to know how I felt the last race.
Marshall Vanilla, can you sit on that bucket and block that corner if you can? Thank you. Careful coming to the loop, careful coming to the loop. Oh, Burnham needs a turnbuckle pop back on. That's going to give Red Pop some hope. Really quick pit stop for him. We got a minute to go. Red Pop coming up through the front rhythm
1
section.
minute left.
Let's see how many seconds he has to make up with 55 to go. He is 12 behind Dan Burnham. That gives him about 3 laps. No, 2 laps. He's going to get caught at the loop. He's got 1 more lap after this one. Burnham keeping it smooth over the single into the back straight. Red Pop at the loop, this time by. He shaved off 4 seconds. He's got 26 left on the clock. Burnham should get 1 more. Red Pop might get caught up. No, actually, they're both going to get 1 more after this. It's going to be close for Red Pop, but he can do it. No pressure.
Yeah!
Burnham down the back straight. Red Pop into the back straight. It was 6.5 last time. He's shaving off about 4 seconds each time. This is the final lap, though.
Rich Terwilliger done.
Dan Burnham, taps the foot pipe. He's going over the tabletop. Red Pop finds the pipe before the tabletop. There's still chances for rhythm section to get sketchy as Burnham stops the landing with the final transfer.
Bob Miller done.
Bob Miller with the win. Kevin in second.
Stuart Jameson done.
Stewart takes it close.
All drivers are finished.
That'll do it.